I understand from my notes that you're having a garbage disposal issue.
Yes.
What's going on with the disposal?
I was using it and it just stopped.
Just stop. No noise, no nothing?
No, nothing.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, I think you got something in there. It keeps jamming up. Slamming, jamming. Probably glass. Let's see if I can unjam it for you. Because your garbage disposal is looking pretty good, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got something jammed in there. I just unjammed it. So let me show you something. It has an Allen key in the bottom of the center. It goes right in the middle. And it locks in, and it will literally rotate the entire motor. So now, when you turn it on, you're back up and running. Whatever it was is gone the way of the earth.